Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily analysis for crude oil and natural gas. With the help of candlestick charts and indicators, we'll try to find out the trading behavior of these instruments, and I'll give you the entries for on these instruments, whether to go long, whether to go short, which levels to be watch out for, the support levels and the resistance as well. So everything I am gonna tell you, do watch till the end, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can stay tuned with my latest analysis. Those who are interested into other markets and commodities regarding gold and silver and indices including Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE 100, Germany 40, India index, they can also watch those analysis as well. Now let's start the day with US crude first. US crude trading at 110.5 levels, and it has got its resistance at 111. We have seen it reversing from 111 levels, multiple candles. If it breaks past 111, one can expect that it may try to rise strongly on the upside. At the same time, on the downside, there is a support here at 109.8 levels. So yes, if you see it trading below 109.8, one can still expect that it may try to come back till towards 109, which may provide a stronger support, and below that it can fall strongly. Look at the divergence. The directional movement is bullish. The stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is trying to cross over for a buy. RSI is looking upwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, similarly on the 2-hour charts, see, this is a breakout candle here. So with the support here at 809, it is trying to rise. That is what it appears. This is the second green candle, and probably we can see few more green candles. Now how far this could go? So a probability that 111.8 should be seen. One can go long at 111, but it is still trying to confine within a very narrow range so that it can give you a breakout later. So on the 2-hour chart, it is trading sideways with 109 and 111.8 as the high. Probably it can try to achieve both the levels today in some candles. And if you look at the directional movement is trying to cross over for a bull here. The MACD is trying to sustain and it is flat. The MACD is in bullish zone. The stochastic is trading in comfortable levels. The RSI is also looking upwards with a slightly bullish bias. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, very clearly 109 is the support from the 50 period moving average, and then 108.5 is a very strong support. With those as support levels, are precisely right now at 109 levels, and the resistance at 111.2. Beyond that, definitely it will fly till towards 111.8, and beyond that we may see is flying high. Look at the directional movement. It is trying to converge and cross over for a buy. The stochastic is comfortable but trying to look forward to again entering to overbought levels. MACD is trading flat and it is still bullish. The RSI is looking upwards. So look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts too, with the support at 109, the resistance at 111.2, it is trying to trade in this level. I'll be expecting it to achieve 112.2 levels today. That is my expectation. The support here at 109 is very strong, and if it breaks 109, I'll be looking forward to 108 levels. Directional movement is trying to converge. The stochastic is near to overbought, once again trying to enter into overbought levels. The MACD has crossed over 4 candles back and trading with very little divergence. The stochastic is sloping upwards. On the daily charts, if you look at the daily charts, you will find that, see, it has formed a tail. The candle has formed a tail. It is trying to take support here at 109. Now how high it can go? The next resistance is at around 111.8 levels and 112 levels. Also look at this, the previous high is there. It is trying to give resistance at 111 levels. So yes, as I said, one can go long at 111.2. Also with the stop loss at 110, one can remain long, and the candle is trying to look upwards. Probably beyond 111.2, we may be looking forward to 112.1, and beyond that it can rise strongly. But yes, support at around 109 is important. I'll be watchful of any point of time. You see it breaking 109, one can go short for 108 levels, and below that we may see it dropping. So in fact, I'll recommend that one can go short at 110 itself. Below 110, one can expect it to drop a little till towards 109 and 108 levels. and a long entry beyond 111.2. Do not trade between 110 and 111.2. That is what is the observation. The directional movement is trading flat. The stochastic is looking upward. The MACD is bullish and it is diverging. The RSI is also looking upward. Similarly, on the weekly charts too, the week has just begun, and what it is trying to do on the weekly charts, let's have a look. See, the previous two candles has a stronger tail and hardly any body. This time we may see a little bigger body, and probably it may try to achieve the highs at around 115 levels before it looks forward to any further drop. So yes, in sum, let me summarize it again. Go long at 111.2. One can expect 111.8 and 112.2 levels, and if it breaks those levels, one can expect that it is going to remain strongly bullish on the upside. At the same time, yes, there is a support at 109, but still you can go short at 109.8 levels or 110 levels. Around 109.8 rather, you can take a good short entry, below which 109 is going to be the target, and if it breaks 109, it is going to break strongly on the downside with 108 as the support. Breaking 108, yes, definitely one can remain short for further drops till toward 106, 104 levels. So do not trade between 109.8 and 111.2. That is my recommendation. In between these $1.4, we have to stay cautious and let it break either of these. The next target on the upside 111.8, 112.2. Beyond that, it will fly. And on the downside, breaking 109.8, 109 and 108 are the targets. Below that, it will drop sharply. I'll be looking forward to a bullish move, but not so bullish too. And yes, 112.2 levels should be achieved, and beyond that also it can fly. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural gas. See, NG on the early charts, higher lows are shown here and lower highs are shown here. So above 8.18, yes, you can go long. That is what rather I will recommend you to go long at 80.2. Beyond 8.2, it will fly heavily on the upside, and below $8.1, one can expect to drop strongly. In between 8.1 and 8.2, do not trade. Directional movement is trying to remain bullish here. It is trying to converge and crossover on the buy side. The stochastic is also looking upwards. The MACD is trying to it is bullish, but it is trying to trade with a little divergence. The RSI is also flat there. On the 2 hour charts, if you look at, see, on the 2 hour charts, it has got its support intact here. Now with the support here at 8.5 and higher lows, also lower highs, probably it is looking forward to a strong break on the upside. So I'll be watchful. Any move beyond 8.2, yes, very good level to go long. Above 8.2, one can expect 8.25, 8.3 levels to get achieved. The directional movement is still bearish, trading flat. RSI is looking down, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is crossed over. The MACD has crossed over and it is showing a green candle. So yes, it is crossed over for a bullish move. Direct RSI is trading flat. Looking at the 3 hour charts, on the 3 hour chart, see a couple of observations. On the 3 hour chart, it is seen a high getting the resistance. This is the second red candle. Probably I'll be watchful of. Also look at this, higher lows are shown. So it is failing to, it is not showing the strong bearishness here. Probably any breakout beyond 8.2 is a very good level to go long. And yes, below 8.1, one can expect it to short. Similar observation here too. Also look at this, the directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is near to overbought. The MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a buy. RSI is trading flat. On the 4 hour charts, if you look at, on the 4 hour charts, see, there could be a resistance at around 8.27 levels, 8.25 and 8.27. These two levels I'll be watchful of. Then 8.3 will come into picture. Beyond that, it will definitely fly. On the downside, there is a support at 8.1. So it is giving you red candles so that it can give you similar type of bullish candle on the 4 hour charts, where it is rose from 8.05 to 8.2. So from here, almost 8.15 to 8.3 levels it can try to achieve. Directional movement is bearish. It is trying to converge. Stochastic is overbought, near to overbought, trying to cross over for a sell. The MACD is trying to converge for a buy crossover. RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily chart, see, it is trying to come out of this first, and it is trying to go till this. So yes, probable move beyond $8.2 levels, a bullish move can be taken, and once it trades past 8.2, my target is 8.28, 8.3, and then beyond 8.3 we will be looking forward to 8.4 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Directional movement is still bullish. The stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is trading flat in the sell side, and the RSI is trading flat with an upward ascent. So considering this, go short today on NG only if you see it trading below $8.1 levels. Below 8.1 the target is 8.02. Below 8.02 we may see it coming till towards $7.9 levels, which are going to provide a stronger support. And below that, anyways, the sky is the limit. It can break heavily below 7.9 till towards 7.8 and 7.6 levels. On the upside, if you see it trading above 8.21, one can go long for 8.28, 8.3. These two levels I'll be watchful of, and beyond 8.3 definitely it will fly till towards 8.4 levels. Take your positions accordingly, and yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. You can also join my mentorship batch. The 11th batch is starting on 6th of June. Book your seats fast. Reach out to me for more details. 15 days, 90 minutes daily, and a lifetime support. That are the benefits. Reach out to me for more details. My email ID and Telegram ID are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my VIP Signals group. Reach out to me for details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.